Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you are watching from. Welcome to today's massive makeup unboxing and haul. As you guys can see, I have a lot of boxes. Some of them I will say are PR, while others I bought myself, and I do have a box from the Sephora sale, even though I do have another video already where I did some damage during the friends and family sale. If you have not watched that, I will have it linked up above here, but without further ado, let's unbox all this makeup. First up, we're just gonna get some PR out of the way because I am actually excited to open this up. I got this from Mart Beauty. I have tested out some of their products and they did come out with something new that I was intrigued. Also, my scuba is from Lululemon. It is the Sonic Pink one. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. Like, look how bright it is. It's so good. Mart Beauty, they sent over their Great Skin Instant Glow Serum, which honestly, I love a good glowy hydrated face. So I was definitely on board to test this out. Oh, what? It's very liquidy. This is what it looks like. The product looks very interesting. I'm honestly so intrigued. It says to use shake well, massage 2 to 3 pumps onto skin before or after moisturizer in the morning or twice a day. So I'm assuming, ooh, it has a pump. I'm intrigued by this. I will be testing it out moving forward. I just want to shake it first to see if it does mix and what it looks like. I think that's, well, okay. Interested. I will start testing this out tomorrow. I will give you guys an update over on my Instagram story in a couple days after I try that, but thank you so much, Mart. Moving on, Versed reached out to me, and I've had these products, not gonna lie, for like 2-3 weeks now. I have been testing them out, and I did want to test them out before I came and talked to you guys about them. They were so generous with what they sent over. I got a box full of their products. I never tested them out, but I have seen them at my local drugstore, so when they reached out, I was like, yes, please, because I have been intrigued by them. Let me just tell you, my favorite product that I've been using morning and night, I honestly am obsessed with this. I was in the market for a good under eye cream. This is so hydrating. It's so good. My makeup also does not crease under it. Like, I swear by this. It is so good. My under eyes were so dry. I love it, and I have been using it a lot, and there's still so much product. A little definitely goes a long way with this, and I love that it's this pinky tone because it does mute out my under eye circles, which I don't like. And even when this is just by itself, it's very glowy, very hydrating. As you can see, I have made a bit of a dent in this. I've been using it morning and night. So good. I love it. 10 out of 10. Recommend this eye cream. Also have been using, this is their Dew Point Moisturizing Gel Cream. This is very hydrating. I personally like using this right before I go to bed after I wash my face. I plop this on and I just feel like my skin wakes up feeling super hydrated, so I love that. It's just like a cool gel. You can really feel the skin like just being moisturized and absorbing it. Next up, we have their sunscreen. Honestly, haven't been testing this out too much. I know I should be wearing sunscreen like all the time, especially if I go out, but I don't go out that much, so haven't been testing it out too much, but I have been using it under my makeup when I went on my fall hikes. If you haven't seen those videos, they're up on my channel. There is also this one. I'm currently testing out another face wash, so I don't want to mix the two. I haven't tested this out just yet, but it does look promising, and honestly, the other products have been amazing, so I don't think that one will be any less amazing. And last but not least, we have the clarifying serum, but I'm actually very intrigued by it, so I will start testing this out tonight actually, because I'm interested to see what this does. Now that I'm reading what it's for, I should have tested this out a long time ago. It says, use me if your skin is stressing you out and you just want it to chill. My skin has been breaking out, you know, with the time of month and then extra stressing on top of that I've been having the past 2 weeks. I should have used that, and I'm gonna start using it. And no, I have not been breaking out because the other cleanser that I'm using, because I was using that prior to breaking out, so my skin was chill, but with all the stress and everything, I'm definitely definitely gonna start using this more consistently, and I'm kind of upset that I didn't do that before, but that is what Verse sent me over. Shout out to them. If I have promo codes for either of the ones I just showed you, I will have them linked on the screen and then also in the description. Moving on to Sephora, I did pick up some stuff. Again, if you have not seen my video from the Sephora Friends and Family sale, it happened like 2 weeks prior to the VIB sale, and I am only VIB, I'm not VIB Rouge, so I did not get 20% off my order. However, during the Friends and Family sale, I got 20% off, so that's really where I did most of the damage. But Sephora items were 30% off, and you could shop right away no matter what tier you were, so best believe I took advantage because I have found a new love for the Sephora cleanser, which I will show you. This is everything that I picked up. First up, again, everything was 30% off, so I picked up 2 of these brow brushes. These can get pretty pricey, and for 30% off, they were originally like, I think $12, so 30% off was a good deal. Had to pick up 2 of them. Never tried them before, but they had good reviews, so hopefully it's okay. Next up, we have the Resurfacing Peel Mask with AHA, BHA, and PHA, which this is similar to what I use in my daily cleanser that I was recommended by a Sephora employee. And this, again, phenomenal reviews, and all of the line super inexpensive already. So for additional 30% off, I was stocking up. There's no scent to this, which is good. I don't want to waste any of the product, but it's cute, and I like the little pump that it has. This cleanser is the one that I was actually recommended. I do have 2 others right now, one that I'm using, a backup for that one, and I picked up another backup, even though, again, it's super inexpensive. It's like $16 full price, but 30% off, just had to pick up another one. I love it. It's an exfoliant plus glow, and let me tell you, it definitely does exfoliate. My skin has been a lot smoother, and then right after use, it's like very tight but also hydrated, and it does have that glow. I raved a lot about it in the other video, like I said, so be sure to check that out. It will also be linked in the description. And lastly, a hydrator. So I love the cleanser. Really wanted to test out more of their products. No, this is not sponsored by Sephora, but Sephora, if you see this and you want to sponsor your girl, hit me up in my emails because I would gladly partner with y'all. But this is the Hyaluronic Acid All Day Hydrator Hydrate Plus Glow. I had good reviews, a lot tinier than I expected. I expected this one to be the same size as the cleanser, but it's mini, although I do think it was around the same price. But this is a hyaluronic acid like hydrator, so curious to see. It also did not have a seal. And 2 samples that I did not pick, but they included, because I feel like they never include the samples you actually pick during sales, but it's okay. I got the Ultra Repair Cream, the Bye Bye Pores Concentrate Derma Serum. Again, didn't pick it, but gladly will take any samples. And last but certainly not least, we're moving on to Shoppers Drug Mart, which is a drugstore here in Canada. My boyfriend's sister actually hooked it up because she got a coupon for, I think it was $40 off of $150, if I'm not mistaken. Something like that. Anyways, the amount just evened out to be better than the Sephora VIB sale because, again, 15% off. So I decided to pick up a bunch of stuff from here because they also do have a bunch of great options over at Shoppers, and the point system is a lot better than the Sephora one, let me tell you. So first thing that I picked up is this purity set, which if you saw my Sephora sale, I did pick it up during the Friends and Family sale. I returned that one because this one was a steal. I think it was like $5 to $10 cheaper than Sephora, plus the extra money that I got taken off. So this was just the better option. This is the cleanser that I use. I love it. And then this is my moisturizer that I use. Again, I needed refills for both of them. They're the exact same size that I bought at the Sephora sale, so this was just a better value. Is this TMI to show you? Probably, but I don't know. I love these. I think they're great, so I had to pick up some of these. If you're a female, you know you know. If you don't know, pick up a pack. They're great. Also picked up some nail polishes. I absolutely love Essence nail polishes, so I just got the top coat and the base coat because I needed refills on these. They're great. They're like $3-4, 10 out of 10. I use these on my nails all the freaking time. Cannot rave enough about them. Also got this is what I use to contour. One of you guys actually recommended it a long time ago. I went through the entire thing already, which I usually never go through entire products, but I managed to go through the entire one, so I picked up another one. I got this in the shade Coconut, and I just use it on like places I need to contour and bronze. 10 out of 10. It's like a cream contour, and it looks like this. I love it. Look how much product. So yeah, just for me to go through this, it's a lot, but I love it and I went through it. Next up, I found this. These again are on the Sephora website. They are the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Sprays. Absolutely love this. I love the case that it comes in, and then they included a bunch of samples. This was my first time ordering from Shoppers, like online. I usually just go in store, but they included a Clinique Smart Repair Wrinkle Correcting Cream, an anti-bright spot treatment, Ralph Lauren cologne. This one actually smells pretty good. I might give this to my boyfriend actually. And a Glam Glow exfoliating treatment. That was my massive makeup haul and everything that I've accumulated over the past like 2-3 weeks. Shout out to the brands that sent me stuff, but also shout out to you guys for being here and watching today's video. If you are not yet subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!